Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So on the Ethereum chart, the market is still moving above or holding above the last swing lows that formed here throughout the weekend at around $3,140, but below the previous swing highs at around 3,450. So unfortunately, we are pretty much just moving in a range. Therefore, the assessment from yesterday, the overall update, it remains unchanged. The risk is, though, due to the choppy price action that we've seen, that the market might test the support area here for this wave 2 a little bit lower. So if you recall from previous videos, we're currently exploring whether a larger B wave bottomed on the 13th of January. In yesterday's update, I also shared with you the daily time frame, and due to the initial 5-wave move up, we said, okay, let's see. The idea is we're looking for higher prices. The thesis is that B wave bottomed when the market tested the 50% retracement last week. That was the 13th, and this level, this level is located here. It's the 50% fib level of the larger box at $2,923. That B wave low is holding, and the move up is a 5-wave move in wave 1 of probably a larger wave 1 in an even larger C wave, but we'll see. I mean, that can still change the micro patterns. The fact is that we're looking for a larger C wave to the upside, so this could also be a diagonal, or there are many ways how this could unfold. Either way, it's currently preferred that we see upside continuation from here, where we have 5 up, 3 down. The market so far has not yet confirmed that a low is in place. We have seen a few reactions to that Fibonacci support area, the micro support, but I can tell you that below 3,034, which is the 78.6 retracement of that box, standard Fibonacci support for a wave 2, I have to assume that this B wave, which presumably bottomed last week, is actually still unfolding. And in that case, then a wider wave B is likely unfolding, so we would track that as a wider B wave. That's highlighted here in yellow. For now, the focus is, though, on the micro movements here in this support region, and it would take a break above the last swing high at 3,450 to suggest we're moving higher. I would say at the moment, I would find another test of support, 3,034, very likely, unless the price breaks above 3,450 first, because this would be a key level. If that level is broken, it could indicate that we're moving higher in whatever way that might be, because this here looks extremely choppy. We could explore whether the wave 2 is over here. That does look a bit strange, so we'll have to see how this all comes together. It does look a bit strange, this price action here, but I cannot rule out that this entire move up is some kind of a diagonal. Then it would be okay. So therefore, we focus rather on the levels than too much on the micro patterns, but I can tell you that, a break above the last high would be a good indication we're moving higher. And then the question might be, right, if we go higher, what would be the next target range specifically for the next move up to watch for, pretty much. So if we move everything in place, then we know that circle wave 3 should reach the 138% extension. That's located at 3,976. Then we'll get a wave 4, and wave 5 should reach at least 4,140, but that is still subject to change. I'm pretty much confident it will change. So but anyway, at the moment we take it level by level. The focus here is on this micro support area. That's what we deal with at the moment. When we have an upside breakout, which would be the preferred interpretation, then we can deal with the question, okay, what is the structure of circle wave 3? But the next milestone target is already here on the chart. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.